Step 2. Credit reference check your tenants. It's a good idea to carry out a credit check on your new tenant unless you are specifically marketing rentals to people with low credit. There are numerous agencies that will complete tenant credit checks, including our current suggestion, OpenRent. Once a credit check has been completed, you can upload the report on PaTMa. First, go to Tenants, then click Add Document. Here you can select the document type, you can choose the file to upload, add your own label and any relevant notes. Click Save and the document will be saved against that tenant. Some lettings agents or even landlords have an in-house process for this. If this is you, you can upload the forms to your documents and check off the task. Documents is here, Add Document, select the document type, upload your file and add the necessary details. Once these steps are complete, go back to Setup and check off the item.